Namaste to all dear warriors. Here I am with a new video relating to Unit 4 Company Accounts 2. In this we are having two topics. One is final accounts, that is balance sheet and P&L preparation. One question will come, and other profits prior to incorporation. So in this video we are going to discuss about profits prior to incorporation. Okay, in ABT asked how to prepare balance sheet under new schedule, revised schedule 3. So we need to write the balance sheet and instructions how you will prepare for that purpose. Okay, next BBIT 12B is related to profits prior to incorporation. So let us discuss in detail. Ramachandra Limited was incorporated on 1st May. This is date of incorporation. And to take over the business of Mallesh as a going concern from 1st January. रनिंग बिजनेस को गोइंग कंसर्न बिजनेस को क्या कर रहे हैं, टेक ओवर कर दिए. सो डेट ऑफ टेक ओवर आर एक्विजिशन, डेट ऑफ टेक ओवर आर एक्विजिशन इज 1st January 2015. The profit and loss account for the year ended 31st December is given. So books of accounts ends on 31st December. So these are the three dates for the purpose of calculating time ratio. Okay, and before dividing whether it is time ratio or sales ratio, see the question totally. Total turnover means sales for the year ended 31st December was 20 lakhs divided into 6 lakhs for the period up to 1st May, means pre-incorporation period. This is date of incorporation, 1st May. So before that 6 lakhs is pre-incorporation sales, and after that it is 1,40,000 it is mentioned, but it is a print mistake. Out of 20 lakhs, if you deduct 6 lakhs, it should be 14 lakhs post incorporation period. So sales ratio, if you take, will be 6:14, or 2 3s are 2 7s are. So 3:7 will be your sales ratio. Time ratio up to 1st May, January to May means January to April, January, February, March, April will be 4 months will be pre-incorporation, and from May to December 8 months will be post-incorporation, and 1:2 will be your time ratio. Let us see the question in detail. Credit side only one item is there, we have sales ratio, so distribute in sales ratio. Rent taxes time ratio में आता है, insurance time ratio, salaries time ratio, it comes under employee benefit expenses, please remember this one also. Electricity charges time ratio, audit fees time ratio, other expenses time ratio, directors fees post only. There is a print mistake relating to directors fees in the textbook, in the material it is mentioned 1,20,000, even in the exam paper it is mentioned like that. So sometimes there will be print mistakes. After solving I came to know that there is a print mistake, so I am telling it beforehand itself, and I will tell how to correct the mistake also. So you take it as 12,000 only, not 1,20,000. Okay, so it will come in post incorporation only 12,000. Advertisement sales ratio, discount will be allowed to customers, so when sale you will do, then only it will be done, so sales ratio. Bank charges time ratio, bad debts also sales ratio, because bad debts will be done for credit sales, so that is why sales ratio. Interest on loan time ratio, preliminary expenses post only it should be. Okay, see, once you get the question ना, you just to do one thing, कैलकुलेटर लेके ये पूरा यहाँ से लेके टोटल, okay, expenses from 60,000 to whatever total expenses are there till preliminary expenses you do, and from total you deduct net profit, it is 3,80,000 should be the difference. That 3,80,000 should be your total expenses. But if it is 1,20,000, it is more than 3,80,000. So if it is 12,000, it is matching with the here total expenses. Okay. Next, let us see the answer now. How to divide we have seen. In December 2017, this question has been asked. 12B is the question number. Working notes we are doing. First we will do time ratio, then we will go for sales ratio. Okay. Calculation of time ratio, that is date of takeover of business is 1st January 2015. Date of incorporation is 1st May 2015. Date of ending the books of accounts will be 31st December. So pre-incorporation period 1st January to 30th April, 4 months. Post-incorporation period 1st May to 31st December, 8 months. So totally 4:8 time ratio. Therefore 4 months is to 8 months. 4 ones are 4 twos are 8. So 1:2 or 1/3. 2/3 will be your time ratio. Next, calculation of sales ratio. Sales up to 1st May pre-incorporation is 6 lakhs out of total sales. Okay, sales after 1st May post incorporation period is equals to 14 lakhs. How much it is? 14 lakhs. So sales ratio 6 lakhs is to 14 lakhs. 6 is to 14 or 3 is to 7. It will be 3/10, 7/10. If you want to end here, you can end here also. 6/20 and 14/20. Further calculation नहीं करते हुए जो दिए वही लेते. And only post incorporation expenses are directors fees. You make it 12,000. Preliminary expenses 25,000. Okay, make it 12,000. There is a print mistake. First I wrote 1,20,000. After doing the answer, I came to know it is wrong. Okay, statement showing pre and post incorporation profit. Particulars, total, ratio or basis, pre incorporation, post incorporation, 2 columns. See, we need to make under the new revised schedule format only. This is also revenue from operations, gross profit 1,20,000, other income nothing is there, dash dash dash. Total income 6,20,000, 1,86,000. 3:10 में डिवाइड करें तो out of 6,20,000, 1,86,000 pre, that is 6,20,000 into 3/7. And if you do 4/7, it will be 4,34,000. Hope you have understood. Next, expenses. In expenses we are having employee benefit expenses, salaries will be 1,20,000 total. Time ratio 2:1. Write it 40,000, 20,000. Finance cost, interest on loan is given 12,000. Time ratio 1:2, 4,000 and 10,000. Sir, where these amounts are given? In the question itself it is mentioned. You need to write it like this: TRs, SR, like sales ratio, time ratio, and salary comes under employee benefit expenses and interest comes under finance cost. Remaining all are other expenses. So put the headings and do the problem. So two have been done. Next, other expenses, rent and taxes 60,000, time ratio 20,000, 40,000, insurance 24,000, 8,000 and 6,000, electricity charges 9,600, time ratio 3,200 and 6,400, audit fees 7,20,000, time ratio 1:2, 2,400, 4,800, other expenses total 30,000, time ratio 1:2, 10,000 and 20,000. Director's fee is 1 lakh, sorry, director's fees we need to take 12,000, print mistake, post only you need to write in post. Next, advertisement 40,000, sales ratio 12,000 and 28,000. Next, we are having director's fees only post. Advertisement 40,000, sales ratio 3:7, 3/10 it will be 12,000, 7/10 28,000. Next, discount 26,000, sales ratio 3:7, 7,800 and 18,200. Bank charges 6,000, time ratio 1:2, 2,000 and 4,000. Bad debts 8,000, sales ratio 3:7, 2,400 and 5,600. Preliminary expenses. Next, interest already taken, so preliminary expenses post only we need to write in post, and after this we need to total the expenses. Total expenses, okay, 1,25,800, 2,54,200. From the income, total income 1,86,000. If you deduct the total expenses pre-incorporation, 60,200 will be your capital reserve, and from 4,34,000 total income, if you deduct this total expenses 2,54,000, we will be getting 1,79,800 as profit post incorporation will be transferred to profit and loss account. Okay, and if you add these two, 60,200 and 1,79,800, it will be 2,40,000, which will match with your net profit. When you get capital reserve and P&L account, pre-incorporation, post-incorporation profit, add both and see that whether it is matching with your total net profit. If it is matching, then there is no problem. If not, either you did some wrong or they give some print mistake. Please find those things. That's it. Almost in 12 minutes we finished. Just now I have explained a few more things relating to this 12A also, so video length has becoming more. So ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं बोलता हूँ, बस सीखते रहो, सीखना बन तो जीतना बन, and prepare well for your exam. Prepare the best, perform better than the best. Like, share the video, subscribe the channel if you not, and important questions list I have mentioned. In that one thing I said, unit 4 as unit 3 and unit 3 as unit 4. Don't worry whether it is unit 3 or unit 4, we need to study. Okay, that small correction you need to do, nothing more. बस प्रिपेयर अच्छी तरह. जय हिंद.